right, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be walking you through one of my favorite automations using Instagram to capture emails and leads and names so that you can automate your nurturing of them via email and your YouTube channel or whatever resource or thing that you give away as your lead magnet. It also works for promoting that, capturing email seamlessly in the Instagram DMs, because as we know, it goes down in the DMs. We're generating leads from Instagram. As much as we can, we want to keep them on the platform, not send them away, because we're going to generate more leads that way. Long story short, I won't go too into it. But in this video, it's going to be another bit of a technical one. I'm going to walk you through how to set up automated, those videos you see where it's like, comment this word and, I'll send you the guide or I'll send you the video. So I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up today using ManyChat and optional Zapier and Go High Level, my CRM that I use and the one that I recommend. It's the same thing as, it's very similar to VidLead. If you're a videographer watching this using VidLead, it's basically a white labeled version of Go High Level, but I won't get too technical on you yet. So what I'm going to show you in this video is simply how to set up the automation inside of ManyChat. I almost said Go High Level, but inside of ManyChat, I'm going to show you this first, and then I'm going to show you kind of the advanced part of sending this email to your CRM. It could be using Go High Level. It could be, I believe, Honeybooks or Dubsado or even HubSpot, like any of these other ones. Essentially, you capture an email here in ManyChat using your Instagram DMs, and then you can send it to your CRM of choice to drip them value, emails, offers on autopilot. And that's what we are all about here. Building a video business, and a creator business that can run without you and grow your business and nurture your leads without you, so you can spend more time doing the things you love. That's kind of what we're all about here if you're new. If you are new here, my name's Connor. I grew a video business, started coaching, started a new video business, and now I'm currently running a video business and coaching with my video agency being my main focus. So I'm actually practicing what I'm preaching, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I was actually making some adjustments to my own systems. And so I just figured, hey, I'm just going to flick on the camera and share it with you guys. I just want to be the most valuable person in the video business space that's going to help you guys grow your video business completely for free. And if you want to work with me on a higher level, you just rather have my one-to-one hand-holding help so that you can pay with so that you can pay with dollars rather than time, hit me up, send me a DM on Instagram. We can talk about working together. But right now I just want to pack this video with a ton of value. I could sell this for thousands of dollars, but here you go for free. So anywho, that's my preface. That's who I am. That's what we're going to be covering in this video. So let's go first through a preview. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. I'm going to show you like the end result. So you create a reel, and in it you say, comment the word leads if you want, X. For me, I'm pushing people to my YouTube channel. Side note, I like using YouTube as your lead capture, as your where you put your free resources, where you put your freebies, because not only are you capturing email that then you can nurture people with, and an email list is so powerful, guys. Like, that's a topic for another video, but that's the only platform where you truly own your audience is in your email. If you send an email, it's going to reach everyone, unlike social media with algorithms. So it's super important to be building your email list, but not only are you capturing their email, you're sending them to your long form content where they can go deep with you, where you can nurture them. That is where you're going to turn eyeballs and followers and leads into booked calls and into sales, is once they start to consume a bunch of your YouTube content, because they say that on average, someone has to consume about 7 hours of your content. If not, I believe it's more. I think it's like 10 to 20 hours of your content to pay you $5,000 plus for your high ticket service. So by getting people on YouTube, you are capturing their email and you're building trust with them so you can convert those leads and followers and eyeballs and likes and vanity metrics into cash in your bank. So I'm sending people to YouTube, and that's why I'm making this video right now. I practice what I preach, guys. I'm probably one of the only people in the space that does right now. So anyway, someone comments leads on a post on Instagram. They're going to get this. Hey, do you want my video on how I generate endless leads as a videographer? Yes. Great. Drop your best email and send you the link. Connor test 123 at gmail.com. fake email, of course. Thanks, final Q, what's your first name? Connor. So this is exactly what your prospects are going to see in the DMs. They don't have to leave. You don't send them to a landing page that is kind of sketchy and it takes time to load. At least in their mind, it's sketchy. It's not sketchy, but in their mind, they're like, oh, I have to click this link. It's going to take me off the platform. People are lazy. They don't want to do that. So you're going to generate more leads by doing this, keeping it all in Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to keep going through this. My name's Connor. Actually, I need to make an adjustment here. But basically, here's how to do it. Show me. I click the button. Boom. Pulls up the YouTube video within a millisecond. And now they're on my YouTube channel. They're consuming my long form content. They're probably going to watch multiple videos. And then eventually they're going to go in my bio on YouTube and they're going to DM me on Instagram and they're going to work with me, or you're going to work with me. It's just how it goes. Again, I'm practicing what I'm preaching, guys. This is literally what I use, and this is what I can help you install. And this is what you should use, whether you work with me or not. I'm just going to give you everything to do it on your own. And then if you get stuck, hit me up. If we have room, if our doors are open, then we can have a chat about working with you. But we're very selective about who we do work with. So that's how this works. Okay. So now I want to show you the back end. So super simple, super clean. You get their email, and then there's some technical things that happen on the back end, which I'm about to break down. Okay. So very simple. I'm just going to go through the whole thing, guys. Like, I'm just giving you the sauce. That is what we are all about. Not charging you $97 for this, like all the gurus, or $3,000 or whatever. Just going to give it to you. So you're going to create a new trigger. So when they comment on a post or reel, include your keyword. So for me, this reel is lead. And by the way, once you have this built once, all you have to do is duplicate it and change a couple things. You just change your word that they're commenting on. Let's say you post a different reel with a different word, and then you change the link that you're sending them to. Besides that, you can just use this over and over, rinse and repeat once you build it. So leads, it's going to reply, sent, check your DMs, etc. Let's go to the next step. I'll have to hit edit. So for me, next post or reel, I'm posting a video tomorrow that I want to fire this on. Bada bing, bada boom. That's the straightforward part. So then you set up a comment reply, send them a message. Hey, so you want this? Add a button. Yes. Boom. It's going to take them right over to the next step. This is where it starts to get kind of fun. And guys, this really isn't that hard. Like, this is pretty simple. That's why I'm just giving it to you. It's more so on the back end what happens that gets a little bit more complex. But this is really simple. That's why I'm just showing it to you. I don't want to sell this to you. Okay, drop your best email, and then contact, reply, email, and pause this video, copy this. I'm not going to go through it because you can do that. It'll make the video super long if I do that. So then next step goes over to asking them for their first name. But first, if they have not responded, sorry, it's a little small, but what this says is if contact has not responded, maybe I can zoom in. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I wasn't doing that earlier. Contact hasn't responded. It's going to follow up. Hey, following up on this. It's basically the same setup as this, but it's just, hey, following up, give me your email. And then next step goes over to the next one once they give it to you. And this follows up. Here's a little sauce. I'm just going to give you guys everything. You click this. If they don't, in 30 minutes, if they don't continue this, it's going to follow up. That's when this is going to happen. It's actually up here, I think. Oops. Boom. Boom. Email. I think it's an hour. Yeah, 1 hour. So you go up here. If they haven't replied in 1 hour, it's going to send this. If they haven't replied in 30 minutes, I could keep going, but I'm not going to just chase down someone who doesn't really want it. That's just a bad lead. So then they give me their first name. Same thing. Follows up if they don't give it to me right away. Again, I'm going to go in here, show you 1 hour. It's going to follow up. And this is all automated, guys. I could be out mountain biking, friggin' hanging out with my wife, paddleboarding on the lake with my dog, and I'm generating leads. And this is all just happening in the background once this is set up. Then I'm going to show you what this tag is in a second, but then it sends them the video. So show me, link to the YouTube video. It's simple. That's done. That's it. So at its most basic form, that's how you can send someone a link from the Instagram DMs automatically when they comment on your video. I could end this video right here, but I'm going to give you a little more value. I'm just going to go through this pretty quickly because this probably isn't going to apply to all of you. It's a little bit advanced, but this is where the magic truly happens. So I tag them and I change this tag every time. So you have to change 3 things every time. You duplicate this when you post a new video, you change that word, you change your link, and you change your tag. Very simple. So they get a tag. Okay. So now we go into Zapier, And Zapier, if you don't know what it is, I'm not going to explain it. You can look it up. You probably should know what it is if you're on this channel, because I'm speaking to mostly the videographer making 6 figures already, looking to scale. If you don't know what this is, you should. Zapier is a very incredible, powerful tool for automation, but I'm not going to explain what it is here. So what I do is I set up a new Zap using ManyChat, new tagged user, and then I choose the tag. Super simple. And again, guys, like, you can pause this. I'm not going to go through it in crazy depth here. If you want my help setting this up one-to-one with you, send me a DM on Instagram. We may have spots open if we feel like we're a good fit. So then once you do that, you're going to update the contact, first name, last name. It's called Lead Connector inside of Go High Level, our CRM. Lead Connector equals Go High Level if you're using High Level. And again, this isn't going to apply to most of you, so I'm just going to kind of go through this quick. If you want me to make a more in-depth video on this, let me know in the comments. So I'm basically adding a contact in Go High Level so that I can send them emails and nurture them on autopilot through my CRM now with that email they've given me. And what I do is I send them to a new nurture campaign, and I'll show you what that looks like in Go High Level now. So it's going to add a tag. So everyone that downloads that YouTube video on my CRM, I can see how many videos of mine they've watched, what videos they've watched. It tells me how warm of a lead they are. And then from there, I can create emails. So I can now nurture them. I can send them a drip campaign of emails as soon as they get that. So guys, this is, as you can see, super powerful, super automated. They literally comment one word on my post, takes them a second, and then they give me their email. Boom, they get sent to YouTube. Boom, they get sent to my CRM. Now they're getting automated emails from me where I'm dripping them with value, call to actions, testimonials. Again, all automated. So I'm going to end this video here. I mean, that's the setup. If you want more help or have questions on how this works, or if I missed something, comment down below. This is a pretty high level overview, but that's really it. And if you want my help building this all one-to-one, shoot me a DM on Instagram. Let me know you want the help. It costs money. It's a lot of money, but it's a very small investment for the return. It just depends if you want to pay with dollars or with your time to figure all this out and go through all the headaches that I had to go through to figure all this out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope this was helpful. Peace.